Today we're going to take a finished drawing from my last video and we're going to do a finished painting from start to finish. I'll show you my process, my thinking behind it, and let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is tape down our work, and I'm using some blue masking tape. And what we'll also do is take some workable fixative and spray the pencil drawing so that it doesn't smear underneath. Next, we'll lay in some undertones to create our underpainting, and I'm just using a nice blue to just kind of push the shadows and to work them in and to define the painting and to give it more shape and more structure. So at this stage, you really just want to go over the pencil lines and kind of make everything as full as possible. And this is an opportunity to really define your lights and shadows so that your drawing can have a greater structure. Also, at this point, we'll want to focus in on those large areas like hair and clothing. And I'm just going to pass over the bra area with black. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want a nice solid color. And we'll definitely go over it again in more detail. Alright, so I took a nice little break, and what we have here is we have a nice underpainting with these blue tones, and what we're going to do now is we're going to push these shadows just a little bit further. I think I'm going to go with like a purple hue, and yeah, we're just going to go in and cover up some of these pencil lines, push those shadows to give this piece a little bit more contrast. I'll even go more into the hair and probably into this area as well where the clothing is. So let's get started and let's see what happens. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go and we're going to push these dark areas like in the clothing and the hair. We're going to really make that stand out to give it some more contrast, and then we'll go and start putting in the flesh tone. So I want to work on this area now. I think I'll use this flat brush, and let's see how this all works out. Now this is where we begin to lay in the flesh tones. Now I'm just going right over those blue tones and those purple tones, and it's going to blend in very nicely. Right now it's looking a little yellowish, but with a couple of layers, you're going to start seeing a different hue, and the blend is going to start making sense. So just bear with me for a bit, and it's all about layers and building up color. And you want to think of painting like sculpting. You're sculpting the colors, you're shaping the colors, and don't be afraid to push those colors. Here I'm also going to put in some highlights and deepen those shadows with a deeper brown. But as you can see, it's starting to look more real. All right, so we're finally at the end of the road of this piece. I definitely had a great time creating it, and let me show you what we got here. You all can let me know what you think. It didn't go totally as planned, but it turned out okay. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I can't wait to create with you all again. Yahweh bless, and peace out.